Magasin department store in Copenhagen. Within 1968. Doesn't say the year of Morris, so very common here in Copenhagen. 0679098 and organized by Otis. 10 Southwest kilograms, 4th floor. Inspected by EMT and maintained by Kone. It says the letters at ground floor. Copyright music, unfortunately, and I have to talk something. And now this elevator is here, and then okay, let's go to 4th floor. The 1973 38 and the 0098. This letter has been added later. 26 pesos, 2000 kilograms. 4th floor. Very nice floor indicator. And this was before floor 22 processor or 2000 kilograms. Oh, this was Nielsen Otis before. Very nice. Alright, of course, amazing. Contraire. Ground floor. This letter has also a camera. This camera here. 4th floor. That's